Over here. Let me hear it. No, one more time. Over here, sir. All right. Stop it. Hallelujah. Glory to God. Amen.
You may be seated. Ladies and gentlemen, how you doing? You're doing good? You're feeling good? God is a good God. Yes, He is. God is an awesome God. Let me say the hands of all those who love Jesus tonight. Hallelujah. You got to love Jesus to come on that way. To me, it's cool, but to only just toasty, right? Hallelujah. Glory to God. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Reverend St. Hope. St. Hope is my real name. It is a pleasure for me to be here this evening. And guess what? I'm Jamaican. I know most folks hear St. Hope and they say, St. Hope? Somebody can name St. Hope. What kind of name that? But St. Hope is my real name. My dad gave me the name. Somehow or the other, my mom came to him one day, she says, guess what, honey? I'm pregnant. And the first thing he said was, I hope. I don't know what it meant. You know, some people just don't want to pick me. Some men just want to bat and don't score. But God is a good God. I have a living hope. My hope is built on nothing less than Jesus' blood and righteousness. Amen? Let me see the hands of somebody who know what I'm talking about. Hallelujah. We got some people who love Jesus in Brooklyn. Yes, son. And I don't know what the problem was. Bishop, I think my father doesn't ever like me. You know, my mom, she put me in the crib when I was a baby, and she come over the crib. You know, ladies do this all the time. They come over the crib and they say, Gucci. By the way, ladies, let me tell you all from now, you need to stop doing that. No, for real. But let me tell you what happened to it. The doctors and the scientists, they say, when a baby is born, it is born with a fully functional brain. It's only that the vocal cords are not yet been developed. So when you are over the crib saying, Witchy, the baby is saying, it look like my mother handicapped. You gotta talk to the baby. Amen? Hallelujah. And I know my Jamaican women as well. They will take the Bible and turn it to Psalm 23 and put it in the crib. The baby can't read. So it means you have to read the Bible to the baby. Next thing you read the Bible, then the baby choke on it. Be safe, be safe, amen? Hallelujah, glory to God. But my daddy, he sat there while my mom was playing with me, you know. My mom says he's such a nice boy, you know. Such a cute baby. What a nice baby. My dad ain't saying nothing. He's just sitting down there looking. She says, my baby is such a treasure. My dad said, good, never bury it. But God is good. I am here because I'm here. Amen? It's such a pleasure to be here. And let me just tell you from now. Brooklyn cool. Yes, a Florida me come from up your cool. Alright? They don't know how to do it. On the too brave, we got you all, and then we hear say get cooler than this. No, sir. If me want my fridge too long, me start get frostbite. But it's a pleasure to be here, I'm telling you. So for those who don't know, I'm the youth pastor of the Open Bible Community Church that's in Miami. And it's an awesome responsibility that God has given to me to minister to young people, to spread his love and to witness and to be his oracle to the young folks. If you're a youth pastor or any type of pastor in this house tonight, God bless you and let God bid you. Now my church is a Jamaican church. But my senior pastor, he says to me, listen, don't tell people that it's a Jamaican church. We want to open the doors, let everybody get a chance to come in. We don't want anybody to feel old, you know. But ladies and gentlemen, it's a Jamaican church. And how you know say it's a Jamaican church? The senior pastor at him at the electrician. Him in charge of the cable. And him on the whole security. Now they didn't tell me that when I became the youth pastor, that word come with being the janitor. So just the same way they gave me the Bible, they gave me the broom. But God is good. And I love my young people. My young people are some of the best young people that you can hope for. Yeah. And we're living in what is called the post-Christian era. And many churches are going under because they're not fully witnessing and ministering to the youth. The youth are the future. Amen? See, I give jokes, but it's also education on the same length. Amen? Now watch this, watch this. My young people are awesome. But do you know that in every church, there is one young person that just comes to get trouble? And when the parents drop that child at the church, they don't tell you that child coming to tear down the church. And the funny thing about it is that they always give that child some type of angelic name. They drop out the baby, hear the mother, Pastor, I'm leaving Gabriel with you. Should I say it's nearly Lucifer? I talk to my young people. I talk to them about life, yeah? I talk to them holistically because we're not just throwing Bibles at them, we're showing them how to live. And I talk to my young people. I said to them, you know what? We have to be careful of how we conduct ourselves, especially here in America nowadays. You know, things and times have changed. America is not the same as it was anymore. I said, listen, you have to be careful of the stuff that you consume, what you put on your insides. I said, you can't go to the fast food places no more, and you can't just eat that big old burger no more. You got to stop eating certain things and incorporate fruits and vegetables in your diet. Nobody look at my stomach. Nobody look at my stomach. I said inside of pork, for instance, a lot of people consume pork. I stopped eating pork. Inside of pork, there is a certain type of fat that is called the lard. And once you consume it, it doesn't leave your body. And Gabriel get up and say, Pastor, but the Bible so much love the lard. I said to them, listen guys, you need to stop drinking all of this strong drink, you know. Don't let them fool you on the rap videos and television and tell you that to drink all of this stuff. When we were in Jamaica, there was a little bottle called Red Stripe beer. Anybody remember it? And nowadays you have bottles big like so. You know, they're trying to kill you. They're trying to kill you, I tell you. I said to the kids, you cannot be drinking this stuff. I said, alcohol is the enemy of your soul. Gabriel said, the Bible said, Pastor, we must love our enemy. I said, if I had my way, I would have taken all the liquor and dump it in the river. Gabriel, shall we gather at the river? You see, you can't win sometimes. But I make sure my young people are well taken care of. When we have, youth meeting, for instance, I make sure food is there. If you're not bringing food to youth meeting, bring food. All the young people say amen. Hallelujah, glory to God. So I make sure food is here. I would make sure that I get all the nice stuff, strawberries, grapes, oranges, kiwi and all those things. But I noticed that my young people, they would run and everybody would grab at the strawberries and then some kids would not end up getting any strawberries. So I said to them, listen, you cannot do it like that. I go and I get a piece of paper and I write something on it. It says, take one each because God is watching. Gabriel, go get paper. Put on the orange. Take as much orange as you want. God watching the strawberry. It's difficult. It's difficult. When the lights went out, I thought that they would have turned the spotlight on. Hallelujah, glory to God. But if somebody turned it off, they want the phone flash to show. Amen. But I bring you greetings, as I said, on behalf of my family and my lovely wife who is not with me anymore. Well, she's not here tonight. I don't mean so she did. She's not with me. Hallelujah. Next thing you hear, my condolence. She's not dead. She's in Florida. And I also bring you greetings on behalf of my son. My son is 15 years old, going on 40. You notice that the young people are different nowadays. No, I have to tell you, the young people nowadays is not the same as when we were growing up. It's a whole different breed of young people. And we have to get to understand that, yeah? So I try to change it up a little bit. I remember when my son was my wife was just about to have my son. And she came to me, she says, guess what, honey? I think the baby is coming. Call 911. I ran and you're excited as a husband, you grab all the bag and everything, and I take up the phone and call 911. And I said, help her, send the ambulance, my wife is having a baby. And the lady, she said, calm down, sir, I got it. Just calm yourself down. Everything is good, we're going to send the ambulance and everything. She says, is this her first child? I said, no, it's her husband. But now the boy grew up and he doesn't want to identify with me anymore. Yeah? I take him to school. Drop him off. I said, son, remember that I love you. And they whisper under their breath that they don't want to say it. I love you, Dad. Hey, I love you too. Like zombies. He says, I love you. I said to him, TTYL. He says, Daddy, no. I said, no, it means talk to you later. He says, yes, but you're old. Don't even try, Daddy. But it's a different set of kids, they're different. He comes to me and he's complaining. He says, Dad, I don't like when you force me to do things, especially eat Jamaican food, because I don't want to eat it all the time, And he says, Dad, you force me to eat avocados and I don't like it. I'm going to say, okay, I won't force you to eat avocados no more. He go to Taco Bell and he says, give me guacamole. We don't make him no wife, I just let the Indian make it like guacamole. I remember one time when we were young people and we gave trouble in the yard, our parents used to say to us, listen, you're getting trouble, get inside the house. Give me too much trouble. Nowadays, when they give trouble, we gotta say, listen, you give too much trouble, get out of the house. Because the computer and the video games got them. My son, he came to me and says, Dad, can you take me to the basketball court? I says, okay, son, I'll take you to the basketball court. He says, I'm meeting some friends. I said to him, okay, you make sure you get them and make sure everybody's there. He says, yes, Dad, I'm texting them now. You text him, and we drive in, and he texts him, and I get to the basketball court. He gets out of the car, and he's texting, and I'm here waiting, and he's texting. And I said, son, isn't the kid here yet? He says, yes, he's here. I said, where? He said, right there. The two idiot them stand up and text one another. But God is a good God, amen? It is a pleasure for me to be here this afternoon. I'm always running out of time, never running out of jokes. God bless you all. Have yourself a good night.